Hold the straight pipe at this angle. Insert the base connector into the straight pipe. Install screws K and lock nut L and tighten lightly. Place the straight leg on the floor with holes facing up. Slide the curved pipe into the open holes, pushing down until it bottoms out on both sides. Tighten the screws. Place the base on the tips of the connectors and push down to make sure it bottoms out. Finish tightening the screws. Install the casters by first threading with your hand. Then use the wrench to finish tightening. Check to see if the casters sit flat on the floor. If they do not, it means the pipes are not pushed all the way into the base connector. In that case, loosen the base connector screws, push the pipes in, and re-tighten. To begin assembly of the wheel, take one of the wheels and place this side of the hub down on the floor. Then with the axle rod, take one of the ends of the rod and insert it here into the center of the wheel, making sure that it's inserted all the way. Next, with the pocket assembly, find the center elastic core, and then slide the core over the axle. Make sure to set the clips at an angle like this, because if they are standing straight up, they might interfere with the placement of the second wheel. Now take the second wheel, line up the center of the wheel with the axle rod, and slide the wheel down so that the axle rod goes through the hole. The wheel is now ready to be placed onto the base. Firmly hold the wheel assembly by each side of the hub to make the wheel upright. Place the assembled base on its wheels and make sure to double check that the curved pipe is on this side of the base connector and the straight pipe is on this side. Take the wheel assembly and drop it into the space connector. Check that both sides are firmly in place. Then wrap the belt over and around the hub and attach the end of the belt to the base connector hook. After the belts are secure on each side, we can start pulling up the clips over the wheel. Space the clips apart about 6 inches. The vinyl tends to stick together, making it difficult to pull up the clips. So loosen the vinyl by sticking your hand in between the clips as you go along. The last few clips will require that you exert more force to pull, but go ahead, it will not break. When all clips are pulled over the wheel, space them evenly. Match the correct cover to the base connector. Snap it in place and secure with a self-tapping screw P. Turn the base from under the wheel to this position and install the other self-tapping screw. Then insert tension knob Q into this open threaded hole. Complete this on both sides.